Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video we are going to review the new Mi electric toothbrush T100 which is recently introduced in Indian market. And this one is actually the second electric toothbrush from the Xiaomi for the Indian market. A few months back they launched their first electric toothbrush in India called the T300, and that time I already did a dedicated review video on it. You can check on my channel, and I found the product is really good and value for money, but it's not received too much attention in Indian market because of the higher price tag, and that's why the company quickly bring the new electric toothbrush in the Indian market. The new T100 is a younger brother of T300, and you can simply call the downgraded version. But most of the features of both toothbrushes are the same. The biggest difference is the price tag. The T100 will be available for only ₹550, which is affordable for everyone, and I think it's the right amount for the electric toothbrush. But if you want to buy this brush, then you have to wait, because currently it's not available for purchase in India, but it will soon be available on MI official online store and MI home. So yes, you have to wait. But whenever it's available, the question is the same: you should buy or not. Means it's a good product and buyable, or you need to check other option. Well, don't worry, you will get all the answer in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the box. Packaging is very simple, and I don't want to waste your time on the unboxing process. So let's directly jump on the box content. So here you get one tiny micro USB cable. Cable is micro USB, and I think this brush not support USB type C. So it's okay, no problem. Second, we get brush head, just a regular size. If you want to change this head or require the extra one, you can order it from MI official store. 3 brush head combo available for just ₹299. And finally we have the main handle of the brush, which look really small compared to the older brother, but I like this one. It look more beautiful and premium than previous one. And the bill coat is also decent. Of course the plastic bill coat is downgraded, but the quality is still good and definitely the long lasting. Now coming to the best part, which I like most, is that this brush is very slim and compact. In the first impression I thought it will not very comfortable to use, but when I tried the first time I am quite surprised. Its tiny size not its drawback, but it's actually the biggest advantage of this brush. Because of the tiny and compact design form factor, it's very easy to hold, and it's also very lightweight, so using this brush on a daily basis, it's really comfortable experience. Now let's talk about the real world use. So I tried many electric toothbrushes in my last 3 years, and before uploading this video I tried this brush one time, and the overall experience is really good and almost same as the other Sonic electric toothbrush. Well, I can't show you the white teeth like we see in the toothpaste ad, but yes, it's work and very well. The motor is really powerful. It delivers approx 60,500 RPM. So yes, vibration is really strong and you will feel it. But the brush head is really soft, so don't worry, it will not damage your teeth. And the best part is that if you feel that the vibration is really strong for you, or you have a sensitive teeth problem, then this brush will also offer you the low frequency mode, which you can simply active using the double pressing the power button. And I think this sensitive mode is more ideal option for everyone, because normal mode vibration is really high. And another best thing is that it comes with the same brush cycle as a T300. It offers you 2-minute smart brushing mode that include 30 seconds for one side. Means after 30 seconds it reminds you for side change with small interval, which is really helpful for day-to-day use because it saves your time. And extra brushing is also not good for teeth. And it's also automatically turn off after 2 minutes, which smartly tell you that your brushing task is completed. Now go for shower. And the last but not listed is 100% waterproof with IPX7 waterproof rating. Finally, let's discuss about the battery. I don't know actually the battery size, but according to company, it gives you approx 30 days battery life if you use this brush for 2 minutes daily. And it's the best battery life you can expect from electric toothbrush. So battery backup is not a problem here. Charging time is a little bit slow. It takes approx 4 hours to full charge, and I really miss the USB type C. But no problem, we can't expect everything in this price range. It also have a dedicated LED indicator light for battery and charging, which is good thing because you will always aware of the remaining battery life that's really necessary for day-to-day use electric products. So overall this product is really good, effective and value for money. Yes, it has some minor cons, but keep in mind the price tag, we have to accept that. So if you want to switch from traditional brush to electric toothbrush, then you can buy this one with my guarantee. So that's all for now. I hope you will like this video. If yes, then don't forget to like and share this video. And if you can see this red button below, just press it. And don't forget to give feedback about this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.